These are a must-have. Yep. This also helps too. This also will be needed for sure. Must need the beef. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we got some good old-fashioned tacos. Look at this taco. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a bite and see how it really is. Wow. These are smacking. All these are is beef, cheese, and some sour cream. That's all it really is, and it tastes fantastic. Look at this juicy beef. It's so good. I could get 10 of these. I'm gonna give that taco a solid 9.5 out of 10. Thank you again for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to follow my socials: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And as usual, thank you for watching. Peace.